Ayun, good afternoon, good day, magandang araw. Meron tayo ngayong Toyota Hilux Tamaraw. Ayan, nag-install tayo ng 8581N3 na Optimus Android head unit with 360 camera. Then, pinalitan natin ng aftermarket frame panel para lumapat yung head unit natin at malinis tignan yung head unit or yung pagka-fit ng head unit sa sasakyan. Then, check natin yung iba't ibang application na meron. Meron siyang Google Assistant, Netflix, Spotify. Meron na ring Waze, YouTube, Google Play. And merong Google Maps. At the same time, meron na rin tong cooling fan control. Ayan. Cooling fan control, merong dalawang option. Merong automatic mode, merong manual mode. Ayan. So, nag-automatic mode, nagra-run yung cooling fan once na nasa-sense ng system na umiinit na yung unit. And then, the next one, meron tong equalizer. 31 band equalizer, may mga preset na rin. Bass enhancement, ayan, meron siya. And then, sound field or fader and balance, meron siya. And then, ayan, 360 camera naman. So, walang steering wheel control. 360 camera, merong auto trigger na tinatawag pag ang takbo mo is 20 kph below. For example, magsi-signal light ka, left signal, kitang-kita mo yung gutter or blind spot ng left side. Right signal, hazard, and then priority ng trigger yung reverse camera. Accurate yung parking guidelines na yan. And then, ayun, all sides recording na rin tong 360 camera nya. So, sineset lang yon. Pag magsiset naman ng recording, settings lang, and then records. So kung ano yung available na storage path, ayun naman yung mag-a-appear dito automatic. Yan. Then ang pinaka basis natin kung nagre-record na ba siya or hindi is itong red icon na nagbi-blink or magbi-blink diyan sa right side, upper side and right corner ng unit. And then yun lang. Ito yung Optimus na 8581N3, 9 inches, and then with 360 camera. Meron na rin siyang online voice command under Google Assistant. Yun lang, thank you.